So we bought a house. It's got an oil boiler. I really wanted to go gas anyway, and now that we're starting the renovation, it was the ideal time to put the gas in. Solv, we maintain the boilers at our place of work. My husband Tom had a conversation with Stephen and James and asked about an external gas boiler. Then Stephen started telling him about the hybrid system, the heat pump and the gas. It's important to us that we have efficient systems in place. We want the house to be as maintenance free as possible, and decided that that's what we'd like to do. I thought heat pumps were the way forward anyway. Well, it was very good. Part of the reason as well that we went to Solv was they've always been very responsive to all of the requests that have been made at our place of work. So if something goes wrong, Tom picks up the phone and there's somebody out that day usually. So they've always been very good. Everything that we've asked, they've been able to accommodate. The issue about the floor, that was a massive problem really, in so much as the wooden floor that we told them we were replacing. We had decided not to replace it. They had to get access underneath, but that problem was soon solved. They cut a nice neat hole in the floor, and then when they finished, they put the floorboard bit down. I had told them that we were having the floor sanded. It's perfect. The floor's beautiful. So they've done a really good job. And the boiler, the pipe works amazing and it's so neat. And when I went to the house the next day to have a look, the house was cleaned up. There was no mess. They've done a really good job. No, I did hear it, but it wasn't loud. I didn't hear it on the inside. I heard it when I was outside and not too far from it. So no, I don't think it's particularly loud. Oh, absolutely. Because of their responsiveness and how they thought the job through. They didn't just put pipes in. They thought about how it would look at the end, and the outcome was great. Without any hesitation, we would recommend Solv.